with ADHD, a lot of time our brain is trying to pump that dopamine, trying to produce the dopamine and trying to catch up, which is exhausting. So if we keep doing activities that exhaust ourselves, that could make things worse. I would like to kind of go over some of the easy steps that we can take in our daily life to help with the ADHD by tonifying the kidney and spleen. And as usual, I like simple steps. I like to implement things that is accessible and easy in our daily life. So the most important thing will be food. The food that you can eat or consume to help with kidney qi is first, especially for kidney color that is black. Usually in Chinese medicine, nourish the kidney. So what are the options for food that has black color, like black beans, dark color, quinoa, sesame? Those are really good for kidney qi. And seeds and nuts, such as wild black sesame, walnut. In Chinese medicine, walnut is one of the number one food that can tonify kidney qi because the shape of walnut looks like bread. And not to mention that walnut is a type of nut that is rich in omega-3, which can help with managing the ADHD and inflammation in our body. And food that can help with spleen qi is more of that grows on the ground or under the ground, like root vegetable or starchy rich food. I know that a lot of people doesn't like carb, but carb it's one of the best source of energy for brain. So I know a lot of people that don't like carb. However, we do need to know that glucose from carb is the energy source for brain and one of the most effective energy source. So when people that has ADHD, when there's low level of dopamine, especially after exhaustion, a long day for work, you might want to reach out to that piece of chocolate cake because the sugar that the brain is driving us to eat the sugar. Usually what I would do is that I would drink some water before I eat anything that is a simple carb like that. I will drink some water, kind of put a pause or a break on that cravings, and then I will eat something like sweet potato, water boiled potato, or some rice with vegetable. That will be something that I like to eat to kind of give my brain some fuel so that it can go on. But the key word is that you really don't want to exhaust yourself. With ADHD, a lot of time our brain is trying to pump that dopamine, trying to produce the dopamine and trying to catch up, which is exhausting. So if we keep doing activities that exhaust ourselves, that could make things worse. So one of the key words is that try not to exhaust yourself. Know your limit is the key to wellness. And the second thing that I'd like to recommend is that always follow the natural circadian rhythm. Our brain needs to break. And with ADHD, like I said, we're constantly fighting the fatigue, the brain fog, the attention. And nowadays, the information is at your fingertip all the time. And for someone that has ADHD, it's very easy to overload. So sleep is the fuel for our brain. So follow the circadian rhythm. I know that it's very tempting to watch that one extra short. However, we do need to know that sleep should be the priority in every given scenario. So when it's dark, then you need to prepare yourself to go to sleep and then try not to use anything with blue light at least 1 hour before your bedtime. I know it's hard to do, but do the best you can because our sleep really determines the quality of our execution and our attention. And you might ask, what else can we do from Chinese medicine? Well, I'm going to recommend acupuncture because acupuncture is proven to first increase the blood flow into the brain, and that can give us energy, the calm energy, the energy that promotes the alpha wave. Second, there are research that show that acupuncture, especially scalp acupuncture, can elevate the dopamine level in the brain. And that is very promising in managing ADHD without side effect. So I encourage you to give acupuncture a try if you are someone that really is eager to seek out a solution to manage ADHD.
If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.